In this lesson, we will finish coding the lightning strike game. We will make Wizard turn into a frog if he loses. If the Witch loses, Witch will turn into a bat. In Sprite Wizard, add 2 costumes, Frog and Cloud. Also add a sound named Thunderstorm. In Sprite Witch, add 2 costumes, Bat and Cloud. Also add a sound named Thunderstorm. Add these blocks in Sprite Wizard. So if there is a message, Witch win, which comes from a lightning block we previously code, we will play a thunder sound, then change the wizard's appearance into a frog. Then we will stop the game with this block. Then, add these blocks in Sprite Witch. You can copy these blocks from Sprite Wizard, then change some parts. First, change this block. If there is a message, Wizard win, then we will turn the Witch into a bat, using this block. Try playing this game. If one of the players has reached the number 10, then the loser will be cursed by the winner into animal.